Here tells us one Gainesville school found a way to help parents ease that headache.
It's a week-long camp here at Millhopper Montessori School where kids learn how to cook food and make crafts, and I'm told it's a worthwhile experience.
We're going to get the big bowl and we're going to start assembling the guacamole.
If you're in for a treat, you may want to grab a plate.
I love cooking and I love summer.
Mateo couldn't wait to get his hands in the dough.
We have gloves over here.
And give me a lesson.
Wait, do you need medium? Do you need medium?
Sure.
I have medium.
Oh, thank you.
Kids kindergarten to 8th grade had the opportunity, like Mateo,
And then we dunk them in the sugar.
to mince, chop, and roll in order to acquire life skills.
I learned how to hold a knife. I learned how to make cookies. I learned how to make pasta with meatballs.
First, we need to cut the avocados.
Shannon Flores
Watch your fingers, okay?
and Ryan Bain teach at the school, but also enjoy the summer camp experience.
Working together, helping each other, learning together. So that just really brings me a lot of joy. I think they're really having a lot of joy from it as well.
It gives the parents a little bit of a way to get their kids out of the house, but it also gives the kids something enriching to do over the summer rather than just sitting indoors in front of a screen or, whatever it may be.
Need help or anything? You good?
Caden Hollinger came here as a kid. Now he spends his summer volunteering.
I just love helping the community. I love helping my family and friends. And since I've been going here since I was like a little kid, this is like my family.
Teachers, students, and volunteers believe the lessons learned at this camp will serve them for a lifetime. After it's all over, kids will not only walk out with new friendships, but new recipes to share. In Gainesville, Bob Sager, WUFT News.
A statement from ICE